Hello and welcome to this relatively short demonstration of the Employees module supplied by Integrator. You'll see from the main menu that the Employees module comprises a database for employees together with other databases for availability time profiles, being rosters, entitlement tables, time recording event types, which are absenteeisms, etc. The Employees module will also draw on databases from the structural side of Integrator, such as the Organisation Positions database, the Organisation Units database, being departments, sections, etc., and if necessary, the Geographic Units database, being actual physical locations within the organisation. So, launching the Employees database, and expanding the browser display, you'll see how as with all of Integrator's databases, the information is displayed in what we call our browser. The browser is unique to Integrator and in each case displays the record as a row and each of the data fields as columns. If we select an employee by double clicking, you'll notice how the detail screens for that record are displayed. Each of the detail screens in the first section are designed to be bespoke screens relevant for the database in question, in this case an employee. As you would expect, within these early screens, standard employee data is captured, such as name, salutation, date of birth, gender, nationality, and so on. Employment details are also captured, such as date joined, whether the person's on probation, when the probation period is complete, and so on. Moving on to the organisation screen, this is where we link with the position database, where you may select a position that the employee occupies, when they occupied it from, what salary was at that point. And this is what we call a multi-record screen, where each time the employee changes their position or their salary, a new record can be added, and where appropriate, you have the ability to look back at the history of that employee in a mini browser format. Creating the link this way with the position enables Integrator to automatically generate an organisation chart. In this case, we'll display how that person, Alan Wilkinson, fits into the organisation structure, together with the people who report directly to him. If we choose to, we can display the full structure for the organisation. And expand that view, giving the full structure within the organisation. This can be printed, and as an alternative, it can be navigated around. Or alternatively, it can be drilled down to see other employees within the database. Closing that view and moving on to the next details. Payroll. If the company has another payroll structure such as Opera, then we can link to that and pull those details through automatically to populate Integrator's employee database. Alternatively, we can just input payroll data directly into Integrator's database. The Data tab enables the user to navigate around other modules within Integrator. For example, if you have the accidents database, it's possible to drill down and look at any accidents that this employee has had. Alternatively, you can drill down to the medical records if you have the medical records database. Where you can see details such as doctor, medical scheme the person might be in, health screening details, any conditions the employee has, health checks and so on. The same navigation exists for qualifications, training records, related risk assessments, equipment that may be available to the employee, and any vibration exposure. Other tabs within the employee database link through to any benefits which have been allocated to the employee. The roster facility within the employee database allows you to input a roster that the employee is assigned to, and then those details will appear on the planner. Within the planner view, it's possible to see what roster the employee is working shift by shift, and also to see any absenteeism data associated to the employee. It's possible to drill down from here to the individual day.
As the name implies, Integrator is specifically designed to integrate data, bringing together health and safety and human resource information, two areas that should go hand in hand in any business. What you've just seen is a detailed insight into just one of the modules Integrator has to offer. To see more of how Integrator can really benefit your business, then go to www.castleintegrator.com. Thanks for watching.